Welcome to this plugin demo. In this video, we'll check out the TadaBot OpenAI plugin. The TadaBot plugin enables you to utilize OpenAI to ask questions about the data on the page you're viewing. This can be incredibly useful for various tasks, such as summarizing text, drafting emails, generating reports, and even providing insights based on your data. Installing the plugin is straightforward, but prior to installing the plugin, please ensure you've installed the new OpenAI pipe and supplied your API key. To install the pipe, navigate to the Pipes section, find the OpenAI pipe, and paste in your API key. You can get an API key by going to platform.openai.com/API keys. Next, navigate to the page you wish to install the plugin and install the plugin from the pop-up. Choose the OpenAI pipe, then select the OpenAI plugin method. If you want each component on this page to have its own chatbot, choose so from the menu. Otherwise, select one chatbot per page. This means the chatbot will use all the data from all the components on this page as context for the chat. Finally, choose if you want a light or dark theme for the bot widget. When previewing the app, you'll now see a new floating button and can begin asking questions about this data. When you get your response, you can copy the response and use it how you wish.